Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about stop losing sales due to poor branding. Let's get into it. I want to dive into a topic that's absolutely crucial for your Amazon sales: branding. Many sellers overlook how powerful branding can be, and more importantly, how poor branding can lead to lost sales. If you've been seeing a dip in conversions or your product isn't performing as well as it should, branding might be the issue. Let me show you how a branding overhaul led to significant improvements for one of my clients. Recently, I worked with a client who had a boric acid suppository for vaginal health. The product was getting a lot of reviews, but unfortunately, many of them were negative, with customers mentioning that they were mistakenly swallowing the pills instead of using them as vaginal suppositories. This confusion was a direct result of the product's branding and content. When I reviewed the product listing, it was clear that the messaging was not effective in conveying how the product was meant to be used, which was leading to customer dissatisfaction. To fix this, we focused on two main areas: the product label and the content. We started by redesigning the product label to make it unmistakably clear that the product was a vaginal suppository. We used large, bold text that highlighted the product's intended use, ensuring there was no confusion. Then we turned our attention to the A+ content and brand story module. The content needed to be engaging, informative, and clear, with a focus on vaginal health and how the product could help. The goal was to remove any doubt and give customers a reason to trust the brand. Once we made these changes, the results were almost immediate. Within the first month, the product saw a noticeable increase in the click-through rate, conversion rates, and of course, sales. But the work didn't end with just one product. We applied the same branding strategy across the client's entire catalog. While each product had unique benefits, the overall branding approach remained consistent. This consistency is absolutely crucial. When your products have mismatched or unclear branding, it leads to confusion, which can decrease customer trust and lower your conversion rates. However, when you create a clear, consistent brand message across your listings, you build trust, simplify the buying process, and ultimately increase sales. In this case, the key takeaway is that branding isn't just about following a template. It's about understanding your product, your audience, and presenting that information in the clearest way possible. When your customers know exactly what they're getting and how the product will benefit them, you'll see a big difference in your sales numbers. So if you're struggling with poor sales or customer confusion, take a closer look at your branding. Are you effectively communicating your product's benefits? Is the branding consistent across your product catalog? If not, it might be time for a change. Getting your branding right can make all the difference in how your products perform on Amazon. When you get it right, you'll not only see more clicks, but more conversions and happier customers as well. It's a simple but effective way to take your sales to the next level. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.